What's up, everybody, on Charleston Car videos? Today we're here at Ravendale Ford. We're going to be taking a look at the F150. But what we're doing with the F150 today is we're going to test out, first time on this channel, we're going to test out on video the park assist feature on the Ford truck. So this is going to be interesting. We're going to try parallel parking. We're going to try whatever we can try today and see what this is all about. So stay with us. We're going to have some fun. Whoa, I tell you, folks, I tell you, man, Ford has got it going on with their trucks. And, you know, this park assist, we've heard about it before, but I'm interested in seeing how it works. Well, holy mackerel, man, look at this truck here. You know, Ford has got to have the best looking trucks right now. I mean, Chevy's nice, but Ford really does do it up. Ooh-wee. Anyways, all right. This actually, the truck we're in right now is a 2016 Platinum Package F150. FX4 off-road, all that good stuff. This truck is not the one we're going to be doing the park assist in, but I'm going to use this truck to be able to do it with a different truck. So basically, I got to make a spot. So because from what I'm learning right now, oh my lord, look at that one, man. Ford trucks are pretty. Anyways, they're expensive though. They sure are. They got, man, they are not cheap. But what we're doing, we're gonna park this right about right here, because we're gonna basically test this feature out in between this Explorer and this truck I'm in. I love how the guidelines move. I hope this is enough room to do it in. But again, you know, I'm trying to kind of give it a real life environment. Might be better to test it out if we went downtown to those tight little streets in downtown Charleston, but I think this is going to work for now. So anyways, let's hop out. All right, so the first truck we're going to test it out on is this one right over here. It's the Platinum Package, or maybe it's a King Ranch, I'm not exactly sure, but John's going to hop in that truck right there and kind of test it out a little bit before we actually get inside and film him doing everything.
Alright, so first we're going to activate the park assist, and there is a button right next to the center console, park assist button. Push that down, and if you noticed on the Sync 3 screen, it's going to give you some directions, and it did find one spot behind us. Well, we're going to want it to find a different spot, so we're going to drive forward. We're going to keep driving forward until it finds the spot we want it to find. It found that spot, and then it's going to ask us to stop right there. It'll give us a direction, and please release the steering wheel, shift it to reverse, and it's going to show us what to do. You know, we have to be in control of the gas and the brake, but hands off the steering wheel. So I'm going to let off the brake here, and it's going to let us know to be prepared to stop. So always hover your foot over the brake, and I've just got it in idle. And the steering wheel and the sensors and the vehicle will do its job. It's going to tell us that we're finished, and I can stop and put it in drive to adjust if we need to, and we are good to go. Put it in park, and we're parallel parked by Ford Sync. It's awesome.
Alright, so that's pretty much how park assist works on a Ford truck. Me and John were watching some videos because we were like, okay, where's the perpendicular park assist, right? Because that was just for parallel parking. And when we hit the button, you know, 2 times, perpendicular wasn't popping up. So I'm only assuming right now that you only get parallel parking park assist on a Ford truck. Because a lot of the videos on YouTube that are already out about this stuff is, you know, a Ford Escape or a Fusion or like a smaller car. And they have the perpendicular park assist parking on there. So, not sure what the deal is with that. So if you know in the comments section if the Ford truck does perpendicular parking, let us know, right? Again, I always like to, you know, I always like to kind of get y'all's input on things. So anyways, take a look at that. What is that little car there? Something new, something tiny, pretty interesting. But you know, either way, you know, at the end of the day, you should know how to park your Ford truck in a parking spot, right? You don't buy a $60,000, $50,000 or $70,000 vehicle not to know how to park it. So always remember that. The parallel parking side of it, I get it, you know. Whether you've been driving trucks for a long time or not, that park assist, I can see that being very helpful on parallel parking. But just pulling in or backing in a regular parking spot, that's probably why they didn't put it on the Ford truck, because, you know, most people know how to pull in and back in a parking spot, right? But I tell you though, even my wife, she's not very good at backing in, not even at the house, you know. I'm like, why don't you just back the car into the driveway so the front end of the car is kind of, you know, looking out. And she's like, Chad, I'm not good at, you know, I'm not good at backing in, I'm good at pulling in, right? So anyways, have a great day, everybody. I hope that helped some of y'all. If you've never seen that feature before on our channel, you got to see it now on the Ford truck. And who knows, maybe later on this month we will take a look at that feature on some of the other vehicles that Ford has to offer. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and send us your feedback.